Hey Jaguars, welcome to another week at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. It's time for our weekly announcements for March the 15th through March the 19th. This is a reminder that on Monday, March the 15th, is a Teacher Professional Learning Day. All Kingsport City schools will not be in session on Monday, so once again, no school on Monday. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Monday, there's no menu because there's no school. It's Teacher Professional Learning Day. But on Tuesday, when you return, we will have a hot dog. On Wednesday, pizza. Thursday, crispy chicken on a bun. And Friday, Wild Mike cheese bites. Jaguars, thank you for continuing to correctly wear your mask, washing your hands often, and practicing social distancing. Please communicate with your teacher if you're not feeling well or someone in your home is under quarantine or is tested positive for COVID. Jefferson families, once again, please familiarize yourself with the FAQ for COVID-19 absences posted on this slide. Submitting an application for tuition and zoning for the 2021-2022 academic year is now available. Parents, this is a reminder that zoning tuition applications must be submitted annually. Parents, if you have any questions, you may email Jim Nash at jnash@k12k.com or call 423-378-2169. The application information is posted on the KCS District website. We would like to welcome to Jefferson our newest instructional assistant, Miss Ferguson. Welcome to Jefferson. This week is Mr. Rickey's final week as a student teacher at Jefferson Elementary. So please take time to thank him and congratulate him on a job well done. Mr. Rickey, remember this, once a Jaguar, always a Jaguar. Some school out there is about to be blessed when they hire you. You'll be missed. Well, we've had some friendly competition taking place during our Read Across America week. The decorated doors were amazing. Congratulations to all our winners. Our grand prize winner was Miss Carter's kindergarten homeroom. Taking first place went to Miss Hammond's 4th grade homeroom. Coming in second was Miss Connick's 2nd grade homeroom and also our gym clinic and SPED trio. Our 3rd place winners went out to Mrs. Fry in 4th grade and her homeroom and Mrs. Chase's 5th grade homeroom. Once again, congratulations everybody. A job well done. And now it's time to celebrate our Jaguars who have a birthday this week. Celebrating her birthday on March the 15th in 3rd grade is Tina M. On March the 18th in kindergarten, Ellie M. and Mrs. DeWeese, one of our kindergarten teachers. On March the 19th in 3rd grade, Dante B. 2nd grade, Gabriel B. and in 5th grade, Mary Kate L. Celebrating her birthday on March the 20th in 1st grade is Lily N. and in 3rd grade, Callie W. And celebrating her birthday on March the 21st in 4th grade is Dia V. Happy birthday, Jaguars. Enjoy celebrating. You are an amazing gift to our world. And now celebrate with me our leaders of the week. In kindergarten, Drew H., Braden H., Raylan L., and Charlie M. In 1st grade, Bray B., Daisy B., Jonah F., and Austin P. In 2nd grade, Logan B., Ben F., Xavier M., and Max P. In 3rd grade, Oliver A., Henry C., Carmelo R., and in 4th grade, Lola B., Alisana H., Jordan H., and London M. And in 5th grade, Callie D., Leah N., and Porter T. Congratulations to all of our leaders. And now join me for some words of wisdom. Today I'd like to share with you a quote from Gandhi, and it goes like this. Be the change you want to see in the world. So come on, Jaguars, let's get busy and make this happen. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, challenging each of us to be a difference maker. And now you may join your teacher or your family for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.